elves?
Mika's sleeping.
Mika's not sleepy, she's downstairs.
Oh, Daddy's sleeping.
Daddy's not sleepy, you just woke him up.
My right, Daddy. Ah.
You did wake Daddy up, well done. I can see baby Bandit and baby Pooper Pants. So Scoomy, don't kick him.
Some people are having a hot tub.
I'm sorry, what?
Someone's having a hot tub.
Who is having a hot tub? Oh, the elves are having a hot tub. That is funny. Fox, come look at the elves. Sorry, get out of Foxy's space, please. Foxy, look. What's your elves doing? Climb up. What's your elves doing?
On my foot.
What's on your foot?
Rainbow drop.
Rainbow drop.
What is this?
What's your elves doing? Having a bath?
No. Hot tub? No.
We've just got the shop and we're now putting it away. You just okay there sitting on the eggs? Yeah? Mika's helping me in here. Ari's reading to Ben because it's only 8:30. Mika's organising the little pantry, aren't you, Mika? Good job. Cats are not being helpful, as always. Can you try it? Bite?
No.
You bite it?
No.
You don't like it? In a sink. Good boy. You're doing something with him, Ari. Where's Foxy Pirates? Well done, Foxy. I'm making soup and I just found a bunch of bananas that are like so close to being disgusting, so I'm now making banana bread as well. Mika's going to do some drawing, but there's a cat in her way. Ari and Fox are building a train track. What are you doing?
Dipping up train.
Who did it? Oh, is it going up the hill? Abby, pull it, train. You can do it. Oh, say good job, Choo Choo. Oh no! You lost some. Too heavy. Too heavy.
I got some.
You got some more. Good boy. Well done. is it? Poke it.
Jelly. Cat food. What?
It's stock.
Stop.
You want to eat it?
No.
The banana bread has just come out and I've covered it in golden syrup. It is a big banana bread. It's massive. Yeah. And our soup's nearly ready. Our potatoes are nearly ready. And the girls wanted to do a challenge, so we found a drawing challenge, and their first challenge was to draw an imaginary friend, and Ari's done a moo cow with wings and Mika's done
And a horn.
a sloth. And then the second challenge was to draw a boat that would take them around the world. And Ari's drawn a llama corn boat. And Mika's drawn a boat with a jet boosters. So that's super cool. And Fox is terrorising the cats as usual. Oh my god, there is a leak on my camera. I'm now at the vaccine centre. I'm going to have my booster. I don't think you're allowed to film while you're here, so I'll go and have it done and I will talk to you when I get back. What are you doing, Ari?
Making a bonfire. Got it.
I think you'll have to have it a little bit further away.
Mommy fits it. Do we have to wrap them up?
No, it's yoking. Yoke.
Mommy back.
Just put it on the floor, Mika. We're having a bonfire to send our letters to Santa.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
Yeah.
It's not as cold.
Off the house.
It's not as cold as everybody's making it look. Like, I've literally got a t-shirt and a cardigan on, and I'm fine.
I think we have to cross off
No,
the
we'll leave
Harry
that, Bubby.
Potter book
Leave that.
because we got it.
You gonna listen for Ty Ty? Foxy shout Ty Ty. Foxy shout Ty Ty.
Hi, Kaya. My Christmas.
Well done. Look at that. When it dies down a little bit, we'll put your letters on it.
Yeah.
Because Daddy's made the fire a little bit big.
Heavy box.
Yeah, heavy box. There's more heavy boxes out the front.
Daddy's back with
Foxy, is it a big fire? Big fire? Where is he? Oh, there he is. You want to sit on the step?
Yeah.
You can come out one day, Bandit.
Near the fire.
Is it a bit bright?
No.
What's in your eye?
Bogey.
Bogey in your eye. Hold my hand. Good boy.
Come back.
Stand back. Here comes Daddy with more boxes.
Daddy, don't talk.
Wow, Foxy.
Is it moon?
Yeah. Moon. Leave it there, Mika.
Very clear and bright today, isn't it?
Right. What do you want on your Christmas list?
Lego.
Yeah.
Art things. Puppets and fidgets. We got that. Crystal and some clothes. They're from Mika.
Let me see.
I got some of my name during that.
Lovely. Hold that. Ari, what do you want?
Tea Santa, I would like,
Like lots of presents.
presents for
I would like a,
Barbie
yeah, Daddy's gonna have to chuck some more on.
and a alpaca toy and a cow and a unicorn toy.
Lots of love from Aria, and then you did more, didn't you?
Yeah.
What did you say?
And some, what is that?
Lego, friends,
Animals.
and oh, some Lego friends, animals, and people. Do you want to go with Daddy to put it on?
Can I?
Yeah, you can both go with Daddy to put it on one at a time. Ari, go first.
That's it. Now fold it up so it goes in. Can I put it on? Let's just go.
Daddy,
Fox.
no.
Don't worry.
My
It's on fire.
Oh no, it fell out. Daddy. Whoops.
You can do it from this side, Mika.
Right, Mika, go to Daddy. I've got hold of Fox.
Want to put it on for you? Try. Just go.
Screw it up and
Really? Okay.
Mika's letter. And they go up to Santa. Cool.
My God.
No, no, no. You have to talk to Daddy if you want to go. Fox wants to go.
Come in.
No, he wants a go.
There you go. Okay. Got him.
Oh, God. Well done, Foxy. Foxy did it. Foxy,
One.
you did
What
it.
do you want from Santa?
Foxy. Fox. What do you want from Santa?
Nino.
Ninky nonk. It's your glubby, look. Your glubby fell off. Excuse me. That is my clean washing. Mr. Gary. You stink. Bandit. You're a stinky, stinky boy. The girls are watching The Grinch. I gave Foxy a sink bath earlier on because he put sand everywhere and the floor got soaked. So that's fun. I'm now making myself some toast. Hi, it's 8 o'clock. The girls are in bed. They watched The Grinch and they loved it. They have seen it before, but Ari can't remember it. Box of goth today. I just opened it. It's really pretty. It's a skull. So you put like a tea light on there or a crystal. Roses. Really pretty. Forgot to show you my nails as well. They're my nails. They've just got like gel polish on. I always have black with a black and I always have matte. But because it was Christmas, I thought I would do shiny and glitter. So I really like them. They're all a really nice length, apart from that one broke, but she still made it look cute. So those are my nails. My mama's coming tomorrow. I had my vaccine booster today, and like when she did it, I literally didn't even feel her do it, which was nice because I'm not the biggest fan of needles. Yeah, I think if I go like that, I can it feels a bit like I've got like someone's punched me on the arm. But it's been like 8 hours since I had it, 7 hours since I had it. So we'll see how I feel in the morning if it hurts. The first one I was fine. I had Pfizer, by the way. First one I was absolutely fine, just a dead arm, and then the second one knocks me on my arse so poorly. But like the first day after I was okay, and then the second day I was so poorly and I couldn't get out of bed, and Ben ended up having the day off work to look after the kids because I was just felt so rough. I slept all day and just felt really shit. I'm hoping that's not going to happen again. I thought Ben was going to come in. He's putting Fox to bed, but Foxy's in a grump. I don't know if he's coming in or not. I'm trying to be really quiet because I don't want to wake Fox up. Because then Ben will be really cross if I wake Fox up. Football's on. Ben's been watching it on his phone, but I think he wants to go downstairs and watch it on the big telly. I am gonna make a card for someone and I'm gonna watch Grimm. So yeah, I'll update you tomorrow how I am, see if I feel any shit or anything. Yeah, come to bed. What doing?